Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Jeep Gladiator into four-wheel drive. First, ensure your vehicle is either completely stopped or moving at a very slow crawl, typically under 3 miles per hour. For certain shifts, like into 4-low, you'll need to place your transmission into neutral. Always refer to your Gladiator's owner's manual for the most precise instructions tailored to your specific model year and trim level. This ensures safe and proper engagement every time. To engage 4-high or four-wheel drive high, you can typically do so while driving up to 55 miles per hour. Simply pull the transfer case lever firmly from 2-wheel drive high straight back to 4-wheel drive high. This mode is ideal for light snow, gravel roads, or mild off-road trails where extra traction is needed. Remember to keep your steering wheel as straight as possible during the shift for a smooth transition and to prevent any strain on the drivetrain components. For more challenging terrain, like steep rock crawling or deep mud, you'll want to engage 4-low. To do this, bring your Gladiator to a complete stop and shift your automatic transmission into neutral or depress the clutch for a manual. Then, firmly pull the transfer case lever from 4-high through neutral and into 4-low. This mode provides maximum torque and should only be used at very low speeds, generally under 10 miles per hour, for optimal control. When you're finished with your off-road adventure and back on stable ground, it's important to disengage 4-wheel drive. To shift out of 4-low, stop your Gladiator and place the transmission in neutral, then push the lever forward to 4-high, and then to 2-wheel drive high. If you're coming out of 4-high, you can often shift back to 2-wheel drive high while driving slowly, typically under 3 miles per hour, ensuring the lever is fully engaged in its final position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.